In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable file button to your website using the Hostinger Website Builder. This will allow visitors to easily access files, such as a PDF guide or an ebook, straight from your site, immensely enhancing user engagement and providing valuable content to your audience. So let's dive in and get this set up. First, we need to open up the Hostinger Website Builder and find our way to the editor. Once you're inside, look for the Add Elements panel. This is your toolkit for adding various components to your website, from text blocks to images and, of course, buttons. In this instance, locate the button element. Click, hold, and drag this button to the desired location on your page. This is going to be the space where visitors can interact and download the file you upload. Once your button is comfortably nestled in its new home on your page, click on it to open the button settings. This is where you get to customize the appearance and function of your button. Hit Edit button to dive into these settings. You'll be able to adjust various aspects like color, size, and, crucially, what happens when someone clicks on it. The next step is tailoring the button text to give your visitors a clear understanding of what clicking the button will do. Update the button text to something descriptive. Download PDF or download ebook are excellent choices. This is not just a label, it's a call to action, enticing your viewers to click and enrich their knowledge with the content you're providing. With the button text ready, it's time to set what the button does when it's clicked. Look for the Link to drop-down menu in the button settings. Here, you'll choose the File Download option. This tells your website that when someone clicks this button, it should initiate a file download for the user. Now, moving on to the actual file that you want your web visitors to download. Click on the Select File button. You will have the choice to either upload a new file directly from your device, or you can select one that's already nestled in your media library. Ensure that the file you upload is the exact one you want your audience to gain access to, and that it's appropriately named and ready for public consumption. Once you've selected your file, click outside the settings box to close it. There's no need to stress about saving changes manually, since any modifications made are automatically saved by the editor. To bring it all together and make this button live on your website, make sure to update your site. This essential step publishes your changes, allowing users the opportunity to download your file instantly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a downloadable file button to your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. With these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to making your website a more interactive and resourceful place for visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.